Hello and welcome to Module 5. Module 5 is all about repetition, okay, when we're going to do things over and over and over again. So that means that Module 5 is all about the while loop and the for loop and some variations of that, like the do while. But what I want to mention first, and we'll talk about this real quick, is Raptor. For whatever reason, when they've developed it, the while loop, the body of the loop, is actually going to execute on the no side of the condition statement and not on the yes side. Okay, so what that means for us is we have to write our condition statement to be the opposite, so that on the no side we get the side where we want to actually execute the body of our loop. Okay, so I have an example here where we're going through a person going up to bat and getting 3 strikes. Normally we would say, we would start the strikes at 0, and as they would count up, we would say, are the strikes less than 3? And yes, while that continues to be true, they'll continue to be up to bat. In Raptor, we want to do the opposite of that. Instead of while the strikes are less than 3, we want to say, is the strike greater than or equal to 3? And of course, in the beginning, that's no. We start off with 0. So on the no side, that's the body of our loop, and we pass through and we go into our loop, and we throw a strike, we add 1 to the strike counter, we come back around, we test again, still not 3 strikes yet, so we come back around, we do this 3 times, and then when we reach 3, then we get to the yes side, and we continue on with the rest of our program. So I'm going to play this, and let's go through and watch the green light. Okay, we've checked it, it's going to strike, it's going to come around, still not 3 yet, come around, about to get to 3. When it gets to the last time, we have to go around one more time and check, and then that's when we find out that we have reached greater than or equal to 3. It evaluates to yes, and then we're out of this loop. Okay, so just keep in mind that in Raptor, the loops execute on the no side, and when we're programming in Python, we're going to program in the traditional way so that the loop will execute on the true side, because that is where the loop executes. So I don't know why Raptor was developed this way, but we just have to keep that in mind, and then we just have to write our condition statement to be the opposite. Okay, we can do that. All right. Thanks for watching.